subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
All eyes are on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and the Mi 7 right now. But the company has another hot product in the pipeline that has just surfaced on the TENAA listing. It includes the codename M1804D2SC. The new device appears to be upcoming Mi 6X, which is expected to arrive as Mi A2 globally. And it seems to copy the Redmi Note 5 Pro design, including the dual camera and the fingerprint scanner placement. The Xiaomi Mi 6X or Mi A2 appears to have a tall 18:9 display and a dual camera with similar lenses in the upper left corner. The antenna bands are nearly following the curvature of the back panel, while the front holds one selfie camera. The entry does not reveal much about the device, which leads to the conclusion that the species list is not yet finalized by Xiaomi. But at least we have the photos that reveals the Mi 6X or Mi A2 in a sexy red color. So what do you guys think of the Mi A2 or Mi 6X? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.